How to know if a diamond is real or fake. Diamonds may be forever, but not every stone that sparkles is the real deal. Whether you're buying an engagement ring, inheriting family jewelry, or just curious about that glittering gem in your drawer, knowing how to tell if a diamond is real or fake is incredibly important. In this video, you'll learn the top methods experts use to test diamonds, including at-home tricks and signs you should never ignore. And stay tuned until the end because one simple tool might save you thousands of dollars. 1. The fog test. Let's start with one of the easiest DIY tests, the fog test. Hold the stone close to your mouth and gently breathe on it, just like you would on a mirror. A real diamond disperses heat quickly, so the fog from your breath will vanish almost instantly. If the fog lingers on the stone for more than a couple of seconds, chances are it's fake, possibly glass or cubic zirconia. This test isn't perfect, but it's a quick first clue. 2. Check the setting and mount. Next, take a close look at the setting and the metal. Real diamonds are usually set in high-quality metals like white gold, platinum or yellow gold. Check for stamps inside the band that say 10K, 14K, 18K, 750 PT or platis indicate real precious metals. If the setting looks cheap, has no markings or feels flimsy, the stone inside is likely not a genuine diamond. A real diamond deserves a real setting and jewelers don't usually put expensive stones in low-cost metal. 3. The water drop test. Here's another quick method, the water drop test. Fill a glass with regular water and gently drop your loose stone in. A real diamond will sink to the bottom because of its high density. If the stone floats or sinks slowly, it's likely made of a lighter material like cubic zirconia or quartz. Again, this won't work for mounted stones, but for loose gems it's a handy trick. 4. The loop test. Jewelers use a special magnifying tool called a loop to examine diamonds, but you don't need to be an expert to use one. Under magnification, a real diamond often shows small imperfections or inclusions thin in natural flaws formed over millions of years. If the stone looks too perfect, smooth, or has rounded edges under the loop, it could be a synthetic diamond or a fake. Pro tip: synthetic diamonds can still pass this test, so it's just one piece of the puzzle. 5. Use a diamond tester. Now, here's the most accurate method without going to a jeweler. Use a diamond tester. These handheld devices check thermal conductivity, and real diamonds conduct heat very well. When the tester touches the stone, it gives an instant reading yes or no. They're inexpensive, easy to use, and available online. If you're buying or selling diamonds, this tool is worth every penny. Bonus: most testers can also detect moissanite, one of the trickiest fakes to spot. In summary, if you want to know if a diamond is real, try the fog test. Inspect the metal and setting. Use the water drop test for loose stones. Look for inclusions with a loop. And for the most reliable result, use a diamond tester. When in doubt, visit a certified gemologist. They can give you a professional evaluation and even issue a grading certificate. Have you ever tested a diamond yourself? Let us know in the comments, and if this video helped you spot the real deal, give it a like.